How's everybody doing this afternoon? Is it a great day to be a Comet? Yeah! My name is John Clockey, and I'm the Executive Director of the Mayville State University Foundation. I'm proud to be your MC today for the ribbon cutting for this historic ceremony for the MSU Artificial Turf Field here at our famous Jerome Berg Field. Wasn't the parade great if you were there? Yes. We thank all our parade participants, Northern Feed and Bean and More Engineering for being parade sponsors. And before we begin this exciting ceremony, let me give you a very brief history of this construction project. In January 2012, before we began fundraising, a group of local supporters met to see how MSU could make an artificial turf field a reality. At that time, this field that you see before you was just a dream. A field of dreams, if you will. Some generous lead donors set an example for all alumni and friends to make some major gifts. And though it took some time, 315 donors gave a total of $675,000. Let's hear it for those fantastic donors. Even at that point, with a $750,000 field, we still needed a little help. And so that's when we got the Mayville State University cabinet members together to discuss. And the consensus was, build it and they will come. Let's have our MSU cabinet members give a wave. Dr. Van Horn.
Yeah!
Dr. Keith Stedman. We'll have the cabinet come on out here so you can see you here. Dr. Andrew Clipson. Allison Johnson, Ryan Hall, Mary Trudeau, and yours truly. And Jamie Hovets. My bifocals are giving me trouble today. So with a price tag of $750,000, you might ask, what did we get for our money? Well, grab a pen and paper if you'd like to make your own turf field. Here's what you will need for a turf-tastic field of dreams. First, you will need 11 trucks to go down to the turf store, 3 trucks to carry 73,440 square feet of turf, 5 trucks for 220,400 pounds of rubber, and 3 trucks for 110,100 pounds of sand. While you're there, you might want to pick up 21,450 pounds of grass fiber, and 17,770 pounds of backing. Oh, and don't forget, you'll need a large unknown number of trucks to lay down a foundation with 1,800 cubic yards of rock and 3,421 cubic yards of clay. Throw in an almost infinite amount of industrial thread, 25-gallon pails of adhesive, and literally an unknown amount of seam tape. Grab an architect like Berg to help you, and that's all there is to it. Some folks have asked, can I still make a gift to the turf project? Well, you asked the right guy. The answer is yes. We are going to place a permanent plaque here at the field, and we'd love to have your name on it. Talk to me anytime if you'd like to add your name before we put that on the field. And I thank all of the benefactors that you can see listed in your program today. And now for our ceremony. I'd like to introduce those who will be coming to cut our ribbon today, and as I call your name, step forward and we will direct you to your ribbon cutting spot, starting over on this side. First, it seemed most fitting to have the members of the Jerome Berg family. So glad that they can be here today on behalf of our field's namesake, Jerome Berg. And we think fondly also of Jerome's wife, Shirley, who couldn't make the trip today from South Dakota. So let me introduce Carrie Berg, Deb and Jerry Solholt, Nancy and Bob Zimney. Carrie, Deb, and Nancy, of course, are Jerome Berg's daughters. Representing all of the many benefactors who contribute to this project, please welcome the Corey and Tracy McGillis family. The folks, Larry and Dixie McGillis, are en route back to Mayville today, and we know they will be thinking of this moment as well. The McGillis family, together with their generosity, together are the lead donors for our turf project. Let's give them a round of applause. Next Next, I'd like to welcome Tom Sappo, representing First State Bank in Mayport, EDC. Tom. Tom represents not only his bank as the game sponsor for Farmers Bowl today, but also as a member of the Mayport EDC. That group sparked the final matching campaign in the community to get us to our goal at the end of 2017. Welcome, Tom. And representing Mayville State University, our new president, Dr. Brian Van Horn. We also welcome our new Mayville State Comets Athletic Director, Ryan Hall. And in his second season representing the Comets football team, who will play their very first ever game on this Field of Dreams, Sean Tome, head MSU football coach. Of course, we wanted to have football players to represent the team today, so joining us proudly representing the Comets football team are Spencer Ewan from Dilworth, Minnesota, and Peter Lindgren from Enderlin, North Dakota. Enderlin, Alice, we found out, okay. And next we welcome ribbon cutter Brian Berg, who helped Jamie manage the process as architect from Berg Architects. Next is our Vice President for Business Affairs, Jamie Hovitt, who spent countless hours on the field working with Dan Lorenz and our turf building crews to make sure that this field got done in time for today's game. Is Dan here? If Dan's here, give a wave, Dan. Thank you as well. And last but not least, holding each end of our Comet Blue Ribbon today, we welcome Dr. Gary and Debbie Hagan, past MSU President and First Lady. Your scissors today will cut the turf-tastic Field of Dreams. 1, 2, 3. All right! Why don't you keep a piece of that ribbon there, guys. Thank you all for coming to the ribbon cutting. It's a great day to be a Comet.